Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To make an appointment for any service, customers should log on to njmvc.gov and scroll down to the Schedule an Appointment box or use the Make Appointment menu header. Appointments are scheduled a rolling 30-day basis.
Let's help you make your mark.
Starting October 1, 2021, you must have a Real ID compliant driver license (ID) to fly within the U.S., unless you use a U.S. passport or another federally approved form of identification. Until that date, a standard New Jersey driver license is valid for air travel within the U.S.
Make your mark, take our lead.
NJ Real ID. Here is every NJMVC location taking appointments. Applicants can go to realidnj.com and enter their zip code to see which available agency is closest to them and make an appointment. The move to Real IDs came as part of a push for tighter national security, in response to the 2001 terrorist attacks.
Let's help you make your mark.
Visit a DMV Customer Service Center. To schedule an appointment at a DMV Customer Service Center, select a service type and then select which office you'd like to visit from the menu to the right. On the next page, you'll be prompted to select a specific service and make an appointment for a specific date and time.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you qualify for online replacement of your driver license, you must replace it online. You can only get a duplicate license or non-driver ID as a replacement if yours was lost, stolen or destroyed. You cannot drive until you receive the replacement license.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.